Hey everybody, Scott here for the Helix channel. It is Thursday. Whew, man, almost lost that one. And today I am continuing. Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. I'm continuing with the Ambient Sounds preset package. Today, the Ambient Dirty 1 through 4. And they're different variations on the same theme, but using different amplifiers, and some just use, the amps overdrive to give you a dirty sound. Others use a clean amp with a pedal in front of it. Sometimes it's one pedal feeding both signal paths. Sometimes it's two separate pedals. And on Ambient Dirty 1, I'm using a single overdrive pedal, the compulsive drive, to feed both signal paths into two separate amps. A Brit J45 and Essex A30. And on other presets, I'm using completely different amps, like Fenders with valve drivers in front of them. So you're getting a variety of different sounds and different takes on a similar theme. And when you press the expression pedal forward, that's when the reverbs and the delays really bloom and things, get ambient. So you've got lots of stuff flying around. And in some cases, particle reverbs, other cases not. You wanna? There you go, everybody. 4 more presets for the Ambient Sounds preset package. You can still pre-order it. There's a link in the description. Just click the Show More tab. It's right there on top. And it would be great if you pre-ordered. I really enjoy the pre-orders. That way I can send them all out at the same time in one massive email on Saturday and or Sunday night, depending on which day I go to the rehearsal room to set the volume levels. Because I like to set the volumes so you don't have to. I will be back tomorrow with the Ambient Crunch presets. These are just dirty presets. This isn't the full-on raging rock. Not that I'm going to be doing raging rock, but big rock sounds with big rock reverbs and delays and just big everything. Gonna need some big hair. Sadly, I don't have big hair anymore. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. And until then, rock on.